We've got the 20-piece tire valve cap. I've got it in the black. Let's go ahead and take these out, take a look at them. I think you can never have enough of these. Ooh, these are actually really nice too. Here you go. So just kind of like a nice, really solid black color. You've got 20 pieces. These are great. Whether it's black or silver, get a bag of these because you never know when you might need them. I lose those things all the time. And these, I can tell you, are higher quality than the ones that are naturally on the tires. So these are going to last longer. Honestly, they could even look cooler. But the fact that you get 20, I think, is an incredible value. And again, these are hard. So you know the ones with your car, a lot of times they're like rubbery or something. These are like legit, and they're kind of like a hexagonal shape. So there's kind of a geometric shape to it, but really, really nice. Really nice. You get 20 of them, you're good to go.